That's a very good India team. Look at my problem. And now it's Indian team. Sachin Tendulkar captaining and Osanga and the Dhoni now to sign getting captaining and Abdul Raja Paki ball signed Sri Lankan team at top to Shiva. Very good and now very good thing saying 20 tons is very good and thanks. Pretty well, Ala, Guru. And such a Tendulkar, very good captaining guy, and the Dhoni very good bowling guy in the Pakistan team, Abdul Raja Paki bowler, and Sri Lankan team at Tapato Tisla, no better thing is World Cup and Span battling so Sarah Cup and thank you team, very good team. आणि आपलं बॉक्सिंगचं आहे ना खली फक्त आपल्या एकच आहे भारताकडे खली बॉक्सिंग खली तर इकडं खली इकडं खली आणि इकडं दुसरा राहतो दुसऱ्या कोणत्याही देशात मग आपलं एकच आहे खली मग तो जो बटलर राहतो बॉक्सिंग ते मॅच लावणार आहे मला सुभाष